Hello and welcome to Arogya Physiotips. Arogya Physiotips में आपका बहुत स्वागत है. In today's video, I'll be teaching you the advanced level of hernia exercises. If you have gone through our channel, you would have already come across the first video for hernia, in which we start with the simple basic hernia exercises. Those exercises just start with some amount of abdominal strengthening and provide some core stability. But if you have done those exercises and now find them really easy, you can then progress to the second level of advanced exercises. Please do not attempt these exercises without doing level 1. Certain precautions that you need to take while attempting these exercises. Number 1, while doing them, if you feel any pain, discomfort, sudden pulling sensation, or excessive bulging at your umbilical region, that means you're still not ready to do these exercises. Go back to level 1, practice them a little more, and then progress to these level 2 exercises. Second thing, please do not hold your breath while doing any of the hernia exercises. Holding your breath increases the abdominal pressure, which can lead to worsening of your hernia instead of making it better. And the last one is do a warm up and a cool down before and after these exercises. This could just be the simple umbrella breathing, which we have shown in all our videos, the side breathing, diaphragmatic breathing, and gentle pelvic tilting. Do these before and after your hernia workout. First exercise is same as the level 1 exercise, that is the knee openers. The only difference is now you will add a loop band or resistance band around your thighs. Right? Step 1 will always be to flatten your back with the pelvic tilt. So press your back down on the mat and hold this position, but don't hold your breath. You will start with a single leg opener. So open your knee as much as possible. Do not aim to touch the floor because then your back will come off the mat. So open as much as possible while keeping your back pressed down. Breathe in as you open, breathe out as you close. Breathe in, open, breathe out, close. 10 on the left, 10 on the right. The second one is a double knee opener. So same way, first step is going to be to flatten your back, put your feet together, open both legs out at the same time while maintaining your back flat on the floor. Breathe in as you open, slowly breathe out as you close. Breathe in, breathe out 10 to 15 times. Now you will do the same knee opener while you are in a bridge. So flatten your back, lift your butt up in the air, hold this position. You can keep a very slight distance between your feet. Same way, do a single leg opener and close. Breathing pattern is also the same. Breathe in as you open, breathe out as you close. 10 times on the left and 10 times on the right. The next one is a double knee opener in bridge. So again, press your back flat, lift up, stay in the bridge, open both legs up together, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in as you open, breathe out as you close. Try to do 10 to 12 repetitions while staying in a bridge, and then you can take a break. Next one are shoulder flexions with core engagement. So your step 1 is again going to be to keep your back pressed down. This is the most important part. You will hold 2 dumbbells in your hands, preferably half kg or 1 kg, whatever feels comfortable to you. Starting from the bottom, back pressed down and core engaged. You will lift this up all the way to the top. Breathe in, bring it back down, blow out. Breathe in as you lift, back still pressed down, blow out as you come back. 10 to 15 repetitions. This exercise is a chest press with toe tap. So you will keep your arms next to you holding the 2 dumbbells. Okay, you will start with doing a chest press. So this is called a chest press. Along with this, you will also lift your leg and bring in tabletop position. When your arms are going down, your leg also goes down and you tap your heel. So lift up, breathe in, breathe out as you tap your heel. Breathe in as you do the chest press, breathe out as you tap your heel. While doing this again, you have to make sure your back is not loose like this, has to be pressed down throughout the exercise. You can do 10 to 15 repetitions. Exercise is called a chest fly with a single leg tabletop. So you keep your arms by the side, slight bend in the elbows, and your leg will be in the tabletop position. As you do the chest fly, at the same time you will do a heel tap. So blow out, breathe in, blow out, breathe in. Again, making sure your back is not loose, back is pressed down, core is engaged. breathe out, and breathe in. Again, you will do 10 to 15 repetitions. Exercise is a chest fly with butterfly of the legs. So again, you will start with the weights up and feet together. As you open your legs, you will also open up your arms, breathe in, close your legs and close your arms, blow out. Again, make sure your back is pressed down throughout the exercise. Breathe in as you open, blow out as you close. 10 to 15 repetitions. One is again chest fly in tabletop position. So you will keep one leg in tabletop position. You will do the chest fly as well as open the leg at the same time and close. Breathing pattern is also the same. Breathe in as you open, blow out as you close. Make sure your core is pressed down throughout the exercise. Repeat it 10 to 15 times. You will start in this position, one hand up. Okay, you will bring your leg and arm together, open to one side with a loop band around your thighs. Again, close and back to starting position. Okay, so do it 10 times on the left and then 10 times on the right. So in this exercise, you're doing the movement on the same side of the body, same side hand and leg. Next exercise, instead of the same side movement that we did, now you will do an opposite side movement. So again, start with your arm up, back pressed down. Okay. You will bring your arm and leg close to each other. Breathe in as you open, breathe out as you close, and back to starting position. Again, bring it together, breathe in as you open, breathe out as you close, and back down. 10 to 15 repetitions. Please practice all of these exercises. Try to do 10 to 15 repetitions of each of these. For better results, try to do the hernia exercises twice a day along with the diastasis recti exercises that you are doing. If there are any questions that you have or want us to make videos on any other topics, leave that in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe to our channel and witness your fitness with us.